Everything's waiting with proper equipment. Just take it to Croatia, something like that.
Is that it?
Yes, that's it. That's all.